back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and today is going to be my very first grow room tour of 2024. So here we have our little seedlings. We have our peppers, then the tray with the tomatoes and some herbs, and our greens. So we'll start over here. This is going to be my salad green mix. I have a couple different kinds of basil, parsley, although I don't see any parsley. I don't see any parsley, and a few little chives. So this will make a really nice little vinaigrette. Over here I have my lettuces. So there was a couple different kinds of lettuce, Tom Thumb and can't remember the other one. And then my pak choi. This is gonna have to get potted up, so we're gonna be doing a video on that maybe maybe tomorrow. And this is the miner's lettuce, which is super cold hardy, so that's exciting. And then on the back there is my onions, and they're doing all right. I don't think there's quite as many of the Walla Walla sweets as I want, so I might start some more. And then we'll come over here, and I'm just going to set this tray down below so we don't bump it. And we will start here checking out the tomatoes. So these are micro dwarf tomatoes. People are freaking out going, wait a minute, you got tomatoes started? But don't worry, they're not going to get super big. I will not be starting my regular tomatoes until April. So the first one here we have is Bahaha, and I have two. Nice. I mean, that is a really sturdy little plant. And then a baby one here. Over here we have the Tumbling Tom. And I have two really good ones and one baby. And then I don't know what the heck is going on with these two. They're looking pretty sad. Next up is Tiny Tim. We got 4 of those. And they are really nice, sturdy little plants. And then Canary. This one's okay. This one is amazing. Look at that. Beautiful. And Orange Hat. And we have 2 of those coming along. And Ola Polka. So this one here, I'm going to have to see if it ends up being the same color as the Orange Hat or the Ola Polka. I don't know. It's looking Ola Polka-ish to me, but I could be wrong. Ola Polka, we have 4 decent ones. Then over we have Lemon Basil. We have 2 that are up and a baby. Next up we have the Dark Opal, and I have 3 of those seedlings. Piccolino, only 1, so I'm going to drop more seeds for that because I do want to try more of those. The large leaf basil, we have 3. Siam basil, we have 4. And red reuben, I only have the 1, but those are really old seeds. Next up here, we have cinnamon basil. So I've got 2, 3. Really excited about this one. This is the, oh, my nails chipped. This is a pink geranium, and I have 4 of those came. And these are seeds that I got off my neighbor. So you can see it's starting to get the little crescent brown shape on there, so that's really cute. Nothing on the begonias, but that's okay because it's early days. 1 tiny little heliotrope. Hello. And then I have a handful of the crane flowering kale. Something crane, I can't remember the variety name. Quite a few of those. I did 3 rows. And then I have 2 verbena. Very excited. They did not do well last year, but I love verbena, so yay. And then over here I have some pink polka dot plants. Aren't they so cute? Let me get close up. These are like the prettiest little flowers. I mean, leaves. They're reminiscent of coleus. They're so vibrant pink. I don't know if this is capturing it. And then I have my cilantro. All right, now onto the peppers. We are still getting germination on them, so there's a few that are just now popping up, so that's good news. Poblano. Possibly. We don't know. We don't know. This one's in the middle, so it could be a poblano. More than likely, it's probably the cayenne, which has already had 3 sprout. Next up is the habanada. I've got 2 coming. New Mexico 6, we've got 2. I got 1 on the right-hand top back section there of the Thai hot chili, and then in the front here is a Big Jim. Nope. Yeah, Big Jim, which is similar to New Mexico 6. So like a hatch type pepper. Here we have the Sugar Rush Red. I have 3 of those. Nothing yet on the chocolate Trinidad Scorpion, but not a big deal. Lemon ahi, I've got 3. Yay. Red cherry, I've got 1 in a stubby. I don't know what those 2 in the back, they don't look great. And then here on the end is the Chiro Rexa. So those look really weird as well. I don't know what happened to the to the heads. No, so that's where we're at now. Everything seems fairly happy. I'm going to be dropping more seeds for the peppers that aren't sprouting or that look kind of weird. I don't know. Some of the seeds I've had from those are pretty old. So overall, everything's doing really good. In the next video and more updates on these beautiful little plants. Thank you so much for watching. This is really exciting. It's so nice to get some green here, and it makes me happy thinking, yes, I'm going to be having my garden soon. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.